subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
Vivo has silently launched its new 5G-enabled smartphone under Y series in China called Vivo Y78 Plus with quite premium looking design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the smartphone. The Vivo Y78 Plus 5G features a tall 6.78-inch Full HD Plus Curved AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1300 nits of peak brightness support. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 8GB by using Memory Fusion 3.0 technology, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.0 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo Y78 Plus 5G supports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50MP main camera with a 1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box with OriginOS 3.0 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 44W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.24 by 74.8 by 7.9mm and it weighs around 177 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y78 Plus 5G has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,599 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 1,799 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1,999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Moon Shadow Black, Sunlight Gold and Sky Blue color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from April 26th. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y78 Plus 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.